Hey everyone, welcome back to the SEO Current YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into something essential for every blogger out there, the best free tools you can use to enhance your blogging game in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, these tools will definitely add value to your blogging journey without costing you a penny. First up, we have WordPress. It's not just a blogging platform but also a robust content management system, CMS, that powers millions of websites worldwide. With its easy-to-use interface and a plethora of plugins, WordPress allows you to create and manage your blog effortlessly. Next on our list is Grammarly. As bloggers, writing is our bread and butter, and Grammarly acts as your personal writing assistant. It helps you eliminate grammar mistakes, improve sentence structure, and even suggests better vocabulary, all to ensure your blog posts are polished and professional. 3. Canva, graphic design tool. Canva is a game-changer for bloggers who want to create eye-catching graphics without any design skills. From blog post featured images to social media graphics, Canva offers a wide range of templates and customization options to make your blog visually appealing. Next is Google Analytics. Understanding your audience and how they interact with your blog is crucial. Google Analytics provides detailed insights into your website traffic, audience demographics, and content performance. It helps you make data-driven decisions to grow your blog strategically. Last but certainly not least, we have Yoast SEO. SEO plays a vital role in driving organic traffic to your blog. The Yoast SEO plugin for WordPress helps you optimize your blog posts for search engines by providing real-time suggestions for improving your content's readability and SEO score. Tips for writing a blog. Know your audience, understand who your target audience is and what they are interested in. Tailor your content to their needs, preferences, and level of knowledge. Start with a compelling title. Your title should be attention-grabbing and give readers a clear idea of what the blog post is about. Use keywords relevant to your topic for better SEO. Create an outline. Before you start writing, outline the main points you want to cover in your blog. This helps organize your thoughts and ensures a logical flow of information. Hook your readers with a strong introduction. The first few sentences should captivate your readers and encourage them to keep reading. Pose a question, share a surprising fact, or tell a compelling story related to your topic. Use clear and concise language. Write in a conversational tone that is easy to understand. Avoid jargon or complex language unless your audience is familiar with it. Provide value. Offer actionable tips, insights, or solutions to your readers' problems. Make sure your content provides value and helps them learn something new or solve a problem. Include visuals. Use images, infographics, and videos to break up text and make your blog visually appealing. Visual content can help explain concepts and engage readers more effectively. Optimize for SEO. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally throughout your blog post to improve its visibility in search engine results. Use headings, H1, H2, etc., to structure your content and make it easier to read. Proofread and edit. Before publishing, review your blog post for grammatical errors, typos, and clarity. Consider asking someone else to proofread it as well to catch any mistakes you might have missed. Call to action. CTA. Encourage reader engagement with a clear CTA at the end of your blog post. This could be inviting them to leave a comment, subscribe to your newsletter, or follow you on social media. These 5 free tools, WordPress, Grammarly, Canva, Google Analytics, and Yoast SEO, are must-haves for any blogger looking to elevate their blogging experience in 2024. They're user-friendly, powerful, and most importantly, they won't break the bank. So, go ahead, give them a try, and watch your blog thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on blogging and content creation. Share your favorite blogging tools in the comments below, and let's continue learning and growing together. Until next time, happy blogging!